We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names. Some of the most mispronounced ones in fact, so make sure to stay tuned for those. This is a name of Hebrew origin, a male given name. It means he shines. For reference, in Hebrew it is said as Jair. Now in English this is generally said as Jair, Jair, or Jair. In Brazilian, the president of Brazil is named that way, Jair also. Anyhow, slightly different ways of pronouncing it, but in English, Jair. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't obvious. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.